All right, we're now going to look at an example. It says Keith has $500 in a savings account. I'm going to highlight $500 because that is extremely important here. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is continue reading. It says Keith has $500 in a savings account at the beginning of the summer. He wants to have at least, that's another important word. We talked about at least in the last video. Then I'm going to switch back to green to highlight that $200 in the account by the end of the summer. He withdraws and takes out. So if you didn't know what the word withdrawals means, we have that there for you. But he withdraws, which means he takes out. So think about what operation would be take out $25 a week in order to pay his cell phone bill. Write an inequality that represents Keith's situation. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the starting amount. And our starting amount was $500. And we are subtracting $25 a week. And I'm going to use W to represent week for at least. At least, if you go back up and look at the previous video, at least means greater than or equal to. So we're going to say greater than or equal to $200. Sorry about that. $200. And that is our inequality because that's the amount we want, at least that amount or more after we're done. Now, I am going to solve this for you. Your homework doesn't require you to do it all in one step. It has multiple questions embedded. So to solve this, you would subtract 500 and you end up with negative 25W is greater than or equal to negative 300. And I'm glad we're doing this problem because when I divide by negative 25, because I divided by negative 25, I have to take and flip my sign right there. All right, so my final answer would be W is less than or equal to 12. So it's going to take approximately 12 weeks or less to keep 200 in there. If we go over 12 weeks, then we're going to end up with less than $200 in the account, and we want to keep at least $200 in the account. All right, thanks for watching.